Okay, I know the. I should say 20 minutes early, but I will be 10 minutes late.
Okay, no problem.
I live in Bombay, it's not my fault. I don't want to see anyone else's future. I don't want to see my own future also, but yeah, okay, I don't mind seeing my own future if these are the only two options I have. No, I would rather live in a world without problems. Alone for the rest of my life, of course. No, I would want to be surrounded by annoying people because it'll be very, very interesting if I can change them. Give me something to do, na. Otherwise, if I'm alone, I'll be so bored. So if I'm with annoying people, I can at least, try and study them, change them, observe them. Maza aega. Get up early. Although I'm not very good at it, but I would rather get up early. Tricky. I think always hot, considering I'm living in Bombay and it's always hot here. So I would say always hot. I am not a phone call person. I don't like phone calls, so I would rather send a text. I would send a text and say, come meet me. Or a genius. I would rather be a genius. I'd rather be invisible. I don't want to read anyone's mind.
Okay.
I read my mind way too much to start doing it for other people also.
Okay.
Not interested. I'll tell you something. There's no such thing as true love. No, there is. I would rather find true love than $10 million. I think never watch TV again because I don't watch TV. I hardly watch TV. Like I watch TV probably only to see if I'm looking okay in my show. Otherwise, I am on the internet. I am watching something right now on the internet. So yeah. Stand all day because by standing you lose calories also.
Acha.
Wow, both are such great options. But I think fluent in every language because it would really help me as an actor. I would rather go in the past and meet my ancestors and just tell them. Like I already thank them a lot when I meditate because wherever you are, you're because of your ancestors. So I would love to go back and thank them for giving me the life that I have. More time. Oh. No, I would just forever want a play button because I live in the moment. I don't want to pause anything or go back to anything. TV. Easy. This was easy. Oh, no, I think physically, no, mentally, one second. Would you rather age mentally or physically, right?
Okay.
I would rather age mentally. I would like to age mentally. Of course not. I'm going to be a child till I die. The bad news first, obviously. I already talk to animals. If you come to my place and you find me alone and you hear me talk, I'm not talking to ghosts, I'm talking to my animals. So I already talk to my animals, so now I'd like to talk in foreign languages.
Okay.
Underdressed. I don't know how some people overdress themselves. I think I've also overdressed myself a couple of times, and the problem is not in overdressing and in the moment. The problem is that image remains forever. That, oh my God, what was I looking like? Hi, this is Riddhi Dogra. You're watching me on Glitz Vision. Do follow the channel. Mwah.